welcome to the channel. My name is Lonne, and today I am pretty excited to show you this beautiful home by Lynch Homes. It's called the Waverly. It's a 6-bedroom home, but look at the edifice of that house, that cladding. Look at the size of that windows. That just shows you what we're about to embark on together. I love the face of this house. Let me know what you think of the edifice of this house. Little view of this street there in case you're the lucky person to buy this show home. Beautiful neighborhood. But inside, this is the front door. As you can see, there is glass panels letting in a flood of light. And to know a house is big, we have a window just beside the main door there. Give you a little preview of what you can expect in this home. This is a large entryway leading to several amazing spaces. I can just let you know now that we're about to see a little cinema room. Of course, if that's not what you would like, you can definitely use this room for something else, but this is such a great way of using this space. I love the orange and the way it brings in that darkness into the room. It's just, it blew my mind. And I love the seating, the way they're elevated from the floor, giving you that cinema feel. They are so comfortable as well. Z and I tried these sofas out, and yeah, it does feel like you're in a cinema. It's a great place to shut the door and unwind. And the when you close the blind, it's literally jet black. I love that room. Let me know what you think about a cinema room in your own home. Would you use that space for something else? I think that's a pretty great space. Great way of using that space. And then we've got this formal lounge. Okay, this formal lounge has these beautiful windows. It's 3 panels, huge panels. This is an overview of the lounge. See that fireplace and that marble around that fireplace? I want you to remember that for what we're going to see next. But the decor, my goodness. Yeah, there was never a space that was lacking in something. Your eyes were always, you're going to see something beautiful in every corner of the house. I love the color in here, the mood in here, the formality. The shelves were just made so beautiful. They were all designed in a very creative manner. It's not too much. It's not giving, too much for the eye, but it definitely is pleasing to the eye. These little chairs again, they give formal. They give do not let the kids into this living room. Because they will destroy the place. So this is the overview of what I call the formal lounge. Again, you could have this, staged as whatever you like. I love that marble backsplash. It continues into the kitchen space, and my goodness, in there you can really see it come to play. This house is so huge. They didn't even mind putting brown wallpaper on the wall. It's just never going to be dark. And then back into that large hallway there. And of course, the practical stuff. We do need a downstairs WC. It's a very good size WC, a single lever toilet with a sink and half tiles all the way around. The half tiles that they do have in there are a beautiful design. They look to a very high standard. The toilet has a flushing system that is not visible. I feel like that's the future now. That's the way we're moving forward. Lovely side table, and under the stairs storage. Also hiding away the electrics, but it is quite big. You could use it for maybe shoe storage in there as well. So great little space there. Yeah, this is what we look at when we're in this house. Looking up at that beautiful chandelier. The beautiful chandelier. I'll show you more of that chandelier, but it's just mind-blowing. It seems to be made out of shells or something. And on to the heart of the home. this beautiful space here is got a huge oval dining table, and then we've got a little lounge space here. So this is what the third space for lounging, and it's got a TV there. This is great space for now family and children because we do have access to the snacks in the kitchen and the garden. So it's a great family space and does have a fireplace. The decor, again, my goodness, there is just bob your eyes anywhere and tell me you see a blank wall or a boring space. It just doesn't exist in this home. Those do look like bifolding doors, which is pretty awesome for summer barbecues. I love the cabinets in here. They seem really solid as well, brown and solid. And the garden is absolutely gorgeous. My goodness. Of course, in every single house, the gardens will be different sizes, but this one is staged beautifully. I love those armchairs. They do give a bit of afro. They give a bit of, earthiness. I love the blacks and the whites and the contrast in the spaces. They do, yeah, give me that Afro decor style that like lodges in Africa like to have. I don't know if you know what I mean, but it does give you that yeah, that Afro vibe. And then in here we do have this comfortable sofa with so many cushions in it. It just looks like you could dive in and be the most comfortable person on earth. If you're from bots, do you know what I mean when I say Afro vibes? Does it give you a lodge in a safari kind of vibe? Yeah. Yeah. This is the beautiful, beautiful kitchen. The kitchen has an island. And my goodness, this is the marble I was referring to from the formal dining, the formal living room. It continues on here and it is just spectacular in this space. I just, oh, I adore this kitchen and the island. Just everything about this kitchen is on par. They do have integrated appliances. They do have a fridge freezer in there as well. Good sized family fridge and freezer. And then overview of this beautiful home. We've got that backsplash over there. That could be your coffee station or your breakfast station. It's just a wonderful house to entertain in. And they've got that electric hob there, and the fans are on the floor, on the in the middle of the electric hobs, which just again, very modern, very beautiful house. Heading on to the laundry room. The laundry room is also very spacious. Of course, it's got access to the garden via the side door. And then we've got those beautiful, beautiful decor pieces around the laundry room. They've got space for the washer and dryer. And then there is more storage space around it. So you can hide away your washing basket. You can hide away your boots, your dirty boots, if this is the space that you'd like to use as your entryway from those harsh walks. If you have a dog or whatever, this could also be a boot room. So this is back into this kitchen. Oh, beautiful. I love the lighting in this room. They always had those gorgeous lampshades all around the house to create a mood. Through those glass French doors, we head back upstairs. And of course, it is a carpet feel upstairs for coziness. Again, that chandelier, my goodness, it's out of this world. It's huge, first of all. I don't know if it's doing it justice on this camera, but it is humongous. Oh, there's the camera lady. And then we're going to head into this bedroom here. Good sized bedroom. As you can see, you can walk around freely. If you can find a vase that size on a side table in a bedroom, you know you're good to go. Good little armchair there with windows facing to the front of the house, bringing back the warmth with a brown backsplash behind the bed. Beautiful bed there, looks like a double. Again, around the space around the room, the bed shows just how big this bed is. Huge light space there. It's actually a humongous chandelier. I don't even know what else to say about it, but it's large. And we've got a walk-in closet here, and the walk-in closet has two sides mirrored, so you could use it as a his and hers. Then through the walk-in closet, we've got an ensuite, and this ensuite has a huge rain shower and a wee handheld shower there. Great space there. Floor to ceiling tiles that just make the room more luxury feel, just gorgeous room. Then we've got this lovely mirror, normal, bathroom must-haves. Hello. And then heading back, I want to show you the shower again because I feel like I haven't shown you this shower properly. The tiles in here are just, the 3D, baby, which we absolutely love to see. And then this is the his and hers walk-in closet, mirrored, very well done. A little overview of the principal bedroom here. It's got everything that you need: a walk-in closet, an ensuite. It's the principal bedroom. And then heading over on to the opposite side of that room, we do have another bedroom with fitted wardrobes. Just a lovely, cozy bedroom. It's got everything you need as well. A fitted wardrobe, lovely windows facing the back of the house this time. We love to see a different wallpaper. The theme of this house just keeps on going. I feel like although it's such a huge house, the way they've decorated it and filled the space gives it back that coziness and comforting, that it doesn't feel empty or just too big. It doesn't give you that feeling at all. A glimpse at my favorite feature of this house, the beautiful chandelier. I do believe it was made out of real shells, which is, again, the craftsmanship insane. And then back into the hallway of the private quarters here, we've got, of course, you need an office. You need an office, or you could have it as a bedroom, as it is a 6-bedroom house. So you could have this as a bedroom if you like. Lovely mirrors to make the space, I feel, even bigger. Or if you do want to stare at yourself while you're doing hard work, then, each for their own. Love the bookshelves in here and the way it was put together. It's just a lovely space, motivational space to work in. Yeah, what more do you need? You just need your PC in there and you're ready to go. Beautiful space. Wow. Okay. So I do love the way they have, staged this home, giving you the options to see if you would love to use the spaces as something else, then it completely works. From the cinema downstairs to the office upstairs, perfect. This bedroom here is giving very girly, very chic, very cute, shabby chic almost. I love that dresser there. It's got like an off-white. It's taking you a little bit back in time again. Very, very cute. A princess could definitely find this comfortable. There we go. We have fitted wardrobes, a lovely bed, and a bit of a chest of drawer space. An armchair fits in here comfortably. Very practical bedroom, very cozy, well staged. What more do you want from a space? It is just absolutely perfect. And we do have this little bit of a space behind the door, and they've put some artwork in there, which is great. Loved the wallpaper, and that's why I had to feel the texture, and it just feels awesome. And then in here we do have a family bathroom, a good sized family bathroom. Floor to ceiling tiles. They look like a lovely stony color and white. Lovely deep bathtub, a separate shower, great space. And then we do have a window in the bathroom, which again, bare minimum essentials, yeah. And the flushing system in here is also not visible to the naked eye. So that's also great. Gives it a clean, a beautiful finish. Heading over to another bedroom, fitted wardrobes. We love to see it. And they're quite big, might I say. Lovely room, good sized room. It's one of the bigger rooms. If you don't want to have the big principal bedroom with the walk-in closets, then you can definitely have this one because it's also very spacious. I love the stones that they do have in here, the shells that they have in the chandelier. The color scheme is cohesive all throughout. Pops of marble come back, the browns, the natural elements come back in. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh, yeah. And the wood that is very natural, very earthy. We love to see it. And the tree is chandelier. I feel like the decor is very, very cohesive in here. And then we do have this beautiful, beautiful space around the bed. I just want to show you slowly. Just take it in. If you're like me and you love to see beautiful decor, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, like, so that other people can see my content, and that can encourage me to keep posting, keep inspiring us, together we can inspire each other. We do have this ensuite, and the ensuite is a good sized ensuite for a room that is not a principal bedroom. It's huge. And then we do have a window in this ensuite as well. So it's not a little cubicle, tiny ensuite. It's quite a good size ensuite for the second largest bedroom. It could be if you have maybe your parents living with you or visiting you, this is where they would be. Or your eldest child. Is just a great, great space to be quite fair. And then moving on to the back into the private quarters not laundry space, private quarters landing. We do have some more storage, and you can have your towels in there, just the stuff that everybody can use because it's very close to the bathroom as well. This is the beautiful, beautiful home by Lynch Homes. I do hope you enjoyed that. What I'm gonna do is let this keep running. This specific home I viewed in East Kilbride, and it is costing over 600, I believe, but I will leave the link down below for the details of this home and all the information you may need regarding this home. And I will see you on the next one. Au revoir. Bye. Guys, seriously, subscribe to your girl's channel. Subscribe. Encourage me. Like, share the videos. Share them, share them, share them. It really goes a long way for me, and I do appreciate it. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye, 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 bye.
You're gonna forget. You're gonna be like,
I do love a little decoration.
you need to hang them.